Yo, what is up, K-pop students? See this heat map? Let me tell you how big of a deal this is. And even if you're not a Twice fan, this is one of the best K-pop lessons you will ever have. And the weird thing is I'm going to explain it using statistics, okay? So see, there are 49 columns, and each column represents one of Twice's songs. And we have 10 rows and a lot of color, okay? So if we look at one of the rows, we can see the word na, and na means I in Korean. And as we look across at the colors, we can see that na appears in certain songs more frequently than others. But overall, we can see that most of the words will actually appear in a majority of Twice's songs. So these 10 words are going to be very important to learn. And here's something the Korean teachers probably don't want you to know. These 10 words make up 10% of Korean lyrics in Twice songs. That's right. If you know these 10 words, you will literally know 1 out of every 10 Korean words in Twice's music. That's how frequent they are. And if you don't know these words already, that's fine. I'm going to be going over them right now. Alright, let's get started. So I already showed you the 4th most common word, and that was the word na, and that means I. So now I'm going to reveal words number 7 and 9 as well. The 7th most common word is nan, and that's actually a contraction of nanin, which is just the word na, which we learned already, and nin, which is the topic marking particle. And number 9 is nega, which is a combination of na plus the subject marking particle, and when you put those together, you get nega. These 3 words all translate to I, and I'll have a video and an article explaining the differences using Twice lyrics, but for now, if you can just know that when they say one of these words, they're talking about something that they're doing or an experience that they're having, then you'll be good for now, okay? Words number 2 and 6 are nal and na를 respectively, and they both translate to me. Actually, nal is just a contraction for na를. Na를 is na with the object particle, and that translates to me. And if you say na를 fast enough, it sounds like na, and you can see that nal is much more common than na를, so expect to hear nal more often than na를. Number 8 and 10 are no and nol, and both these words mean you, but I will say nol is a contraction of 너를, which has the object particle attached to it. Alright, the number 1 word in Twice's music is, wait for it, ne, and it means my. It's also a contraction of nae. If you say nae fast enough, it sounds like ne, and you can see obviously that it's a very common word. The 3rd most common word is to, and that means more. And the 5th most common word is da, and that means all. Now when you're listening to K-pop, you're going to start to hear these words a lot. Also, let me know which group you want to see for the next video, and let me know if you want me to explain more or maybe give some examples next time. I'd be interested to know. And till next time, thanks for watching.